We are right on the edge of this huge shift in technology. It's a change that's been quietly happening, teaching our devices to understand not just what we say, but the world right in front of them. This really is the dawn of a new kind of intelligence. So let's just start with one simple question to frame all of this. What if your phone, your glasses, what if your technology could actually see the world, the way you and I do? What would that even unlock? Well, that future is a lot closer than you might think. See, artificial intelligence is evolving. It's moving way beyond just understanding our text messages and voice commands. It's growing a whole new sense. And that sense, it's sight. I mean, think about it, right? For the last decade or so, we've been talking to our devices. We ask for the weather, we tell it to set a timer, but all of those interactions have been completely blind to our physical reality. That is the barrier that's about to be shattered because AI is finally starting to look around. So what do we even call this new capability? Well, there's a name for it. It's called visual intelligence, and it is absolutely poised to be the next major wave in how we interact with AI. So what exactly is ambient visual intelligence? Well, at its core, it's the ability for an AI to use a camera to understand the physical world in real time. And listen, this is not just about recognizing a cat in a photo. No. It's about interpreting entire scenes, detecting a bunch of different objects, and then giving you help that's actually relevant to what's right in front of you right this second. It's all about giving AI genuine situational awareness. Okay, this might be starting to sound a little like science fiction, but it's all built on a really fascinating, very real technological process. So let's break down how a device can actually see and make sense of the world around it.
So it all starts with the camera, which is basically acting as the device's eyes. Then that visual data gets a really quick initial look over right on the device itself using a special chip. But for the more complex stuff, like, say, identifying a specific type of flower in a garden, that data gets sent up to these super powerful cloud computers for some deeper thinking. And finally, the AI brings an answer back to you, not just as text, but maybe through voice or some other action. It's this seamless flow all the way from sight to understanding.
Okay, so the tech is cool. I get it. But what does this actually let us do? How does this powerful concept actually show up in our daily lives? Well, the applications are incredibly practical. I mean, imagine your navigation app not just showing a blue line on a map, but actually reading the street signs out loud for you. Or how about an accessibility tool that can literally describe a room to someone who's visually impaired? You could just snap a picture of a whiteboard after a meeting and poof, all the notes are instantly digitized. Or maybe the simplest one, you just point your camera at a pair of shoes someone's wearing and ask, where can I buy those? This is where the tech stops being a concept and becomes truly useful. But here's the thing. This is so much more than just a cool new feature. The introduction of visual intelligence marks a really fundamental shift towards something called ambient computing. And here's the core difference, right? Traditional AI is reactive. It just sits there and waits for you to give it a command. It's also abstract. It knows what a bridge is as a concept, but it has no idea that you're standing right in front of the Golden Gate Bridge, right now. Ambient computing is the exact opposite. It's proactive and it's contextual. It's always kind of running in the background, constantly understanding your physical environment and what you're up to. This quote really just nails it. We are in a transition from text interfaces to ambient computing, where AI operates continuously in the background. It's not an app you open, it's an intelligence that's just woven into your life, ready to help whenever you need it. So when you get right down to it, AI is breaking free. It's no longer just stuck inside software. By connecting with hardware like cameras, it's becoming a true partner in our everyday physical interactions with the world. So I'll just leave you with this thought. For the first time ever, our technology is starting to gain a genuine understanding of our physical world. And the real question isn't just what this tech can do. It's as our devices begin to understand our world, how will our world itself begin to change?